What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel again, and man, that was quick. No sooner had I got that last video published and KTM dropped their announcement today, which was exactly what we thought it would be, the 2023 Enduro line. And it appears there are no changes. So yes, these bikes are still TPI, even though we know the SX and XC bikes are going to TBI. And it appears to be no changes on any of these bikes except for graphics. And it's kind of funny because KTM did a teaser video talking about purple is the new orange, and this was back right on April Fool's, and everybody thought it was just completely a joke, and they did put a little purple in the shroud, and it's not too much, and it looks pretty cool. We also noticed that the frames are orange, which signals that this is definitely the last year of this generation for the Enduro line, which we also already could kind of assume. But man, the bikes look good. I love color. If it's a Cowie, I love as much green as possible. Yamaha, as much blue as possible, etc. And all the orange on these KTMs looks so good. So if you're wanting a bike that is tried and true from 3 or 4 years of abuse already, these bikes are awesome. I know you hear some TPI horror stories out there, but I can tell you from working at the dealership level, we've seen like nothing like that around here. These bikes are great. If you haven't ridden TPI, you really should give it a chance. But anyway, no changes for the Enduro line or the Dual Sports, the EXCs, but we are getting a competition-only 450 XCFW, which is pretty cool, an option that we didn't have last year. So yeah, I love that KTM does all these videos like this. I wish I had their production budget and production skill set to make riding videos like that, because they look cool. But yeah, so this is April's announcement, and we can expect the announcement on the SX and XC models to probably come the first or second week of May. So they're giving us little by little. It's pretty exciting. We like it all. The website is updated at ktm.com. Not sure if Husky is updated yet, or what's going on, if there'll be some kind of separate announcement video for Husky later today or something, but we can expect the same thing with the Husky Enduro line. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comments, what do you think about all the orange? Do you think it's cool? Are you excited about the SX and XC drop that's going to be coming in a couple weeks? Drop the comments down below. I'll keep an eye on it. And I've got a video dropping shortly that's going to give you guys the prices on all the new off-road models, not just the Enduro line. So watch for that to drop. I'll see you in the next video.